Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for tuning in. In this video, I will be planning for the week of January 28th through February 3rd, 2019 in my Erin Condren planner. I am using the Starry Skies collection from Organized Magic. By the time you're seeing this video, unfortunately this collection will have been retired, but it's a really pretty collection and I wanted to show you what I did with it anyways. These first three sheets are the mini kit, and it comes with the date covers as an add-on and the two sheets with some full boxes and half boxes and checklists, and this last sheet comes with headers and habit trackers. And then I also ordered the Erin Condren full boxes and borders kit, and this is part of the full kit, but you can get it separately from the full kit. I am also using some Simply Gilded washi. This is from one of the Marvel collections. It's a deep teal, which I thought would go well with the kit, and some page flags in gold from Rose Colored Days, glitter vinyl headers from Creativity and Ink, and I'm gonna use those for the base of my kit. Now that I have put the date covers down, I moved on to doing the glitter headers, and these are vinyl glitter headers from Creativity and Ink, and I really like these because they obviously aren't the faux glitter, and you can actually feel the glitter texture with no glitter rub off whatsoever. Normally I like to use the wider washi tape at the bottom, but this week I opted for the skinny one that came with the boxes and border set, and I used the Simply Gilded blue with gold foil marble washi, and this washi was from the Marble 3.0 collection, which I really love the Marbles collection. After putting the bottom washi down, I then decided to put the wide washi in the middle of the page, which I really love how that turned out because it kind of balanced the colors at the top, middle, and the bottom. I know it's not exactly in the middle, but it really worked well for this week's spread. Since I am a plan-as-you-go person, it's always a dilemma for me with this dang coil and Wednesday. So I decided to put the checklist on the right side of the columns. I really like them on the left side just because it's in the front of whatever I'm going to write. But this week I tried to put it on the right side just to see how that would work with writing whatever I needed to do for Wednesday. some more of the Simply Gilded washi to divide the full box from the 2 habit trackers that I end up putting down. And although the mini kit comes with 3 habit trackers, I decided to only use 2 so that I could save that 3rd one for another week when I use this kit again in the future. Hey guys, now I'm just going to add some deco and scripts for various things that I'll be doing throughout the week. First, I am using this Happy Mail sticker from Randy.Plans. You can find her on Etsy at Randy.Plans. It's Randy Plans. And then I will also be using her $2 Tuesday scripts. Put those down here since this takes up a lot more room. And then I will need to do some grocery shopping, and these are from Van Sticky, one of my favorite shops ever. I'm actually going to have quite a few scripts on Sunday. Grocery shopping, as well as using a day off sticker from Van Sticky. I think I like this one. She has 3 different types on here. So it stands out. Another one from Van Sticky, these wax stickers. Here. And then I will be using these weekend foil, I guess they're gold glitter, gold hollow, never really know what the difference is, from Deck Designs. Mark the weekend, and I'm excited for this weekend since I'll be going out of town to visit a friend. I'll be taking a road trip with one friend to go visit another. Does it really count if the road trip is 2 hours? I think so. And then I'm trying to get back into the habit of working out and eating healthy. I'm following a meal plan from Lauren Gleisberg. I really love her meal plans and the simplicity of her workouts. Although I'm not doing her workouts, I am going to be following her meal plan that she just came out with. And if you want to sign up for her meal plan and pay for that, you get free updates every time she comes out with something new. So back to working out. I know I'm not going to work out every single one of these days, but if I put them down, hopefully it'll encourage me. And I do plan to write rest day on the days that I don't work out, just so I know. But these stickers are from Planner Kate on Etsy. I love that they're gray because they're not, they stand out with this kit, but still are just kind of unassuming. They don't take away from everything else. I'm thinking about it now. Since I do want to keep track of what I'm eating, I should maybe have moved these up a little, but we're gonna try this, and maybe I'll keep track of my eating and health stuff in my A6 rings, which I have not set up yet at all, which I really need to. I will be doing laundry on Thursday. I'm gonna use this bear. The bear has a name. I can't remember what it is, from Planner Shop Stickies. And since I write in my TV shows during these times too, Thursday I have a ton of shows, so I'm gonna just put this down here so that I remember that I need to do laundry, as well as these. I think the marshmallow's name is Smush from Planner Shop Stickies. For the days I will be working from home. I do it twice a week, but I think this week I'm just gonna mark it once, since I usually don't have too much on this day. And then I'm going to use these clear overlays from Rose Colored Days. I really think it would look pretty on the ones with the stars. some glitter there. Should have maybe probably put it on one of these. We'll see if I can peel that off to do it. Does not look promising, so we are going to keep that there. And then I'm using some scripts that I have from Purple Ellie Co. to add a couple more things. I need, she has a meal plan one, I just saw it. Like I mentioned, the meal plan from Lauren Gleisberg is already set up, so I just kind of have to make my grocery list. And then I also will be volunteering, so I will be using some the script from Organized Magic. Put that at the top. I don't know if this is really gonna fit. Put that in. So that's the first thing I do that day. And that, I think, concludes it for my week. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.